Hey, what's up, Eat Me Travel You viewers? It's Mike, Jackie, and JM. Welcome to our channel. We have stayed in over 80 plus hotels in the Philippines and abroad. We share hotel stay reviews, restaurant food reviews, and tips for your next staycation or vacation tours.
So here we are at Hilton Manila, and we're staying at a family suite at the 7th floor. So this one comes with executive lounge access. So here we have the powder room slash bathroom. And there's a huge living area slash kitchen. There's a dining table for four. There's a coffee machine with coffee capsules. There's a ref in here. What's inside? There's some basic tea bags, sugar, so this is the living room with a view of the pool. Then we have this sofa bed with a work desk. There's John's computer. Going to the main bedroom. There's also a huge TV and a king-size bed with a view of the pool. There's a walk-in closet. This one is probably around 90 square meters. Space is quite huge. Actually, much bigger than the previous suites we've stayed at or we've reviewed. There's a separate toilet and bath. It's okay, John. Don't close it. There's these huge baths with their exclusive line of toiletries. There's the bathtub with a shower gel and shower. And of course the his and hers lavatory as well. There's the vault. Let's see if they have a hair dryer. We have a laundry bag in here and slippers for four. So those are the things that you can actually take home with you. This one, we've got this room by upgrading our voucher. We bought from a travel fair about 2 years ago. So we upgraded from 13 from $100 to upgrade, and it's much bigger than the executive room. So that's it for the room tour. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.
And just the flight attendant.